What's going on, y'all? So I had this company, AgriEyes, reach out to me. They asked me if I wanted to try out one of their products. I said, by all means, what do you have? So they sent me to their website. This is a warning light type of company. So they have all sorts of different strobes, all sorts of different type of magnetic lights that you can hook up to the back of your cars. I got the yellow and white, the amber and white magnetic rechargeable warning lights. It's supposed to have 8 different modes on it. So we're going to see what it's all about. I haven't broke the seal on it yet. So we're going to take this little journey together. You got to grab those snippers. All right, let's see what we got. Compact. I like that. I do dig it comes in a case, so you don't have to worry about carrying 2 different lights type of deal. Power cords. Oh, and it's got a split power cord, so you can dual charge. Love that. Car charger. They got a little weight to them, so curious. I don't have anything magnet around me. We'll come back to that. So okay, so we got a side light. And no, I don't read directions. Oh, there it is. Found it. So you gotta hold it in. Ooh. Alright, I'll tell you what. Let's read the directions. So we ain't just pressing buttons. Fully charged battery before use. Check the battery life before use. Check light if working correctly before use. Charge the battery every 6 months if not used. Check light regularly for long hours. So it says it has 8 flash modes though. Press briefly for 1 second to turn on off light. Alright, well, how do we make it? There we go. Okay, I get it. So you gotta hold the light down, or hold your little power switch button for a second. And it changes it. I'm really digging the... So that's the indicator that it's on. Let's see. Alright, it's working right now. Alright, so the on-off switch, so we get this correctly, the on-off switch you hold down for 1 second, turns it off, hold it down for a second, turns it back on. Click it to change your settings. I like that. Even as like a single light, if you wanted to do that, like you place this on the hood of your car or something of that nature, put it on the back of your trailer, like, I mean, that's still super visible to do. Yeah. All right, we're going to go throw one. We're going to throw one on the side of the truck. Oh yeah, trucks aren't metal anymore. All right, here we go. Found a spot. Let's make sure we ain't pointing this at anybody's house, because that's bright. Turn on, baby. Oh, there we go. All right, we're just gonna leave it on that one. We're gonna take a little trip. So this is also angled up. So I feel like if you had it forward facing as well, it would definitely be a lot more visible. But still, even then, I mean, I'm a good close 50 yards away right now, and I can see that flashing. So this just being on the side of my truck and flashing over, I mean, I couldn't imagine actually staring into that. I have a feeling I'm gonna regret this just because of how bright this is, but we're gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna go turn my garage lights off real quick. Alright, I got my little ring light on. Alright, so the only light that I have on is pretty much my ring light TV. So, like, it's a little bright in there, but not that bright. Now, did those just match up? Or is it just off the... No, they didn't match up. Okay. They're not quite in sync. Yeah. So you can also rotate them, take them off, put them practically any way you want. Anything metal anyway. I use these as strobe lights during Halloween. Jesus. I'm not too mad at that. I'm not too mad at that. Alright, so we know what they're going to do at night, but what can they do during the day? So tomorrow, I'll go back to work, I'll be in the tow truck, I'm going to bring these with me, but we're going to charge these overnight first, so they have a complete full charge. We'll be able to use them all day, hopefully. We'll see how it goes. Chances are, I'm going to probably leave them running. I'm going to leave one running all, like, till I get there, and I'm going to see how long it lasts, just to see how long the battery lasts. And then I'll have a spare if I need it. I don't know if you'll be able to tell this or not, but this is your indicator light. This is your battery light. So there are 4 little battery cell squares on it or whatever. So mine has 3 and it's flashing 1, which means it's charging one last cell up. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so my day is winding down. I'm getting ready to tow my truck home. We're going to go ahead and throw these lights on. I think we're going to throw them on the tow truck today. We're going to kind of see how they work. And they're just magnetic. Yeah, they got rubber bases, so they're not going to scratch any surface. We're going to use that one. I like that one. I guess we can go ahead and take the wrapper off of it too. Make them really pretty. Alright, so we got that. I didn't get a chance to actually use them today, so they're still full charge from last night. Alright, got them magnetic dome. We're just gonna kind of see if it gives us a good little visual, kind of how it looks. I mean, you can still see them. They look even better to the naked eye. And of course at night they're a lot brighter as well. I wish there was a way, I wish it was like a little window mount thing or something that you were able to pop them in there. I am seeing a couple of downsides to the lights. One is that they actually have to be angled straight out, otherwise you can't see them. You might get the glare or the glow from it, but you don't get the actual light itself. But overall, I mean, they're magnetic lights. You can just find a way to make sure they're faced out. Yeah, because like on the front of my Explorer, it's just straight plastic. I don't exactly have anywhere I can put it, and that's more or less where I would actually want my emergency light. Tell you what, we're going to try a little bit different spot because I think it'll be a smarter move. I'll have more of a base to connect. There we go. We'll do it down yonder. I like that. And that gives me a little bit wider view. Yeah, we'll try that. Alright, we're going to head on home. We're going to see how these magnets hold up. Hopefully I still have 2 lights when I get to the house. Alright, so we're getting ready to pull up to the house, and we're going to see if these lights are still on here. We got one. Yeah, other one's still over there too. He's still flashing. Hello! Oh, hello, hello! Willow, you see my flashy light? So overall, I mean, as long as you can find the right spot for it to flash out to really be seen, I mean, they work really good. That'll definitely probably be my location. I put them on my truck. Just brings out the wideness. You can actually see around the vehicle. There'll probably be certain style vehicles where there will be some sort of metal or steel or something on the front where you can put those on as the magnet. Make sure y'all check all their site out though, because they have a ton of different style lights and strobes. They came packing with some stuff. Much love, stay safe. If you're out on the street, watch your six. If nobody's told you today, I love you. And just remember, you got this.
Partner with AgriEyes. Be successful.